My name is Yasni Sharma. Today I will demonstrate water pollution. Water pollution means polluted water. Do you know how water gets polluted? The three causes are throwing solid waste into rivers, city, train flowing into water from industries into river. Do you know that we can conserve water or say that the three types to conserve water are take only as much water as is required, never waste water. Tap and pipe should not be left to leak. Do not touch water with dirty hands. Now this is another model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a good way to conserve water. Here the water is stored, filtered and used for future use. Thank you.